behind line of symmetry, that is the figure, if you are drawing a line of symmetry, the remaining figure should be overlapped to the each other. Now come to the exercise of 13.1, that is with the help of question we'll solve it. For the given line for the given figure, which one is the mirror line, L1 or L2? That means this is the given figure and which line is a mirror line, that means the line of symmetry. Now we have discussed early on, if you want to find out the line of symmetry, so the remaining figure should be overlapped to the another one. So if you are taking this line of symmetry, if you are taking this line as a symmetry, so by overlapping, will this figure be overlapped to this figure completely? No, it will not, because after, if you overlapping this figure, so it will look like something this, and this part will be remain as it is. So L1 is not the line of symmetry for the given figure, but we'll check L2. So if you are doing if you are making this line as a symmetry, so by overlapping this whole part will be overlapped by this figure. So this will be the, we can say that L2 is the line of symmetry for the such figure. Okay, now come to the next question. In this question it says that in each of the figure L is the line of symmetry, complete the diagram to make symmetric. That means here the half part of a question is given. That means they have given to us, this is a figure and this is the line of symmetry. Now we have to complete the figure to make this line of symmetry as a proof. So if you want to completely complete this figure, as we know, the remaining figure should be overlapped to the another one. So in this way, if we extend another line here, so it will, the figure look like something this. So now if it is a line of symmetry, so by cutting or maybe the overlapping, this part of the figure will completely overlap by this part. So the figure will be completed like this. This will be the answer for the given figure. Now again, it's a little bit kind of a complicated question. So what we have to do, we want to make a line of symmetry. If you cut from this figure, from this part, so it will not overlap to each other. To make to complete this figure, the remaining portion we have to draw. Here I mentioned that the remaining part of that triangle I have created here. Now if you are making this, if you are completing this part and taking this line as a symmetry, so by overlapping, by folding to each other, this figure will be overlapped to each other. Now this will be the answer part for the given question number 6.